Oh my god, I'm using my new iPhone 5! I am so excited! Oh my god! It's like so cool! Oh my god, what is that? I think it's herpes! Oh no! No, really, what is that? Oh, what is it? I think that's a pimple or something. You get pimples on your nose? What the hell is wrong with you? But yeah, oh my god, I got my iPhone 5! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! It's exactly like the iPhone 4, real talk, just to be honest with you. It's exactly like it. It's just a little bit bigger, and ports on, and your headphones, like, go on the bottom. So, there's nothing really, to it, bitches! But you have to pay an arm and a leg just to say, hey, I got the iPhone 5!